In this video, I will show you two different ways you can easily place your artwork into perspective in Illustrator. So the first way, you will need to rasterize your artwork, and you can do that by selecting your artwork, going to Object, and then selecting Rasterize. And then if you want the highest resolution, 300 ppi will be the best option. And then just hit OK. And now let's grab our pen tool, and then just select the edges of the shape that we want our artwork to be in perspective. And then just to close it off, select our starting anchor point. And now let's select our new shape, and holding Shift, select our object so both objects are selected, and then go to Object, Envelope Distort, and then choose Make with Top Object. And then as you see, that places our raster image within that shape that we just created. But if you want to keep your artwork as a vector, this next method will work perfectly. So for the next method, let's select our artwork and go into wireframe mode with Control or Command and Y, and you'll see that the text is live text. So to change this, let's go to Type and Create Outlines. So now our type is outlined. Exit wireframe mode, and now select your Free Transform tool, and then you want to select the Free Distort option here. And now let's go to our opacity and just reduce this to somewhere around 30-35% so we can see through our artwork. And now let's just bring this over to our billboard. And now, again, make sure that your Free Distort tool is selected, and just bring these anchor points to the corners. And then bring our opacity back up to 100%. And there we go, our artwork is a vector and in perspective. And those are two quick and easy ways you can place your artwork into perspective in Illustrator. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to continue making tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.